Welcome to Design Hub. In today's video, we'll design a beam joint exactly as you can see on the screen, and we'll also learn how to apply welding on these beams inside SolidWorks. So, let's begin. First, we'll change the appearance of the model as per our requirement, so it looks clean and easy to understand. Next, we'll change the unit system from IPS to SI because we are working in millimeters and metric units. Now, select the required plane and start sketching the layout exactly as shown on the screen. This sketch will act as a path for our structural members. After the sketch is ready, go to Weldments. Click on Structural Member. Then select DIN, choose S-beam, select the required beam size, and apply it exactly as shown in the video. Now comes the most important step, trimming the beams properly. Go to Trim Extend. As you can see, we have selected the beam to be trimmed and the boundary beam as a reference. Based on these selections, SolidWorks will automatically trim the joint correctly. Watch carefully. When we apply trimming, you'll notice the beam end updates instantly and the joint becomes clean and fabrication ready. Once trimming is completed, we'll start the welding process. Now go to Weld Bead. Select the required faces as per the video. Set the weld size and apply the weld bead on the joint. And that's it. Our beam joint design and welding is completed successfully in SolidWorks. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Design Hub, and comment below if you want the next tutorial on cut list, drawings, and weld symbols.